Did you know that you can control the available Sync 3 navigation system in your Lincoln using your voice? As a matter of fact, the available Sync 3 system has some enhanced voice commands to help drivers operate the navigation system without having to take your eyes off the road or your hands off the wheel. Partial name recognition now allows users to say the name of well-known points of interest, or POIs as they're commonly known. Just use the voice button and say "Find a POI." Now, just simply say the name of a gas station, coffee shop, or restaurant, for example, and it will locate the closest one to your current location. Then say the line number you want, like 1, then say "Set as destination." Or you can hit the Start button on the screen to begin the directions. You can also touch the Save button to save a POI to your system. It's that simple. And street addresses can now be spoken more naturally, instead of saying each individual number. So 1234 Main Street can be spoken as 1234 Main Street. Okay, there are a few more things you'll want to know about. Thanks to Sirius XM Traffic and Travel Link, you'll get detailed traffic information plus current and forecasted weather, gas station locations and prices, sports scores and schedules, and movie theater locations with show listings and times. Plus, it can calculate a more direct, efficient route based on available speed limits, traffic, and road conditions to help reduce your travel time. Keep in mind, Sync does not delete previous destinations you've input. To remove them, press Destination, Previous Destinations, then touch the trash icons to individually delete previous entries. Or you can clear your entire history by pressing Delete All. Either way, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Oh, one more thing. If you're not sure how to talk to Sync, there are a couple of things you can do. At any time, you can use the voice button and say List of Commands. You can also get help by using the voice button and saying Help. For help with navigation, for example, say Navigation Help, and so on. And because the microphone is located overhead, make sure to speak clearly so that the system hears what you're saying. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.